What is happening to me, or rather my brain? Every time I think of talking to my friends, family, anyone, my mind warps them into something hideous and repulsive. As if it doesn't want me talking to them. I need to end this. Sometimes it is necessary, right? Dad, I'm sorry. Brother, do well, be happy. And to anyone else, sorry if I hurt you, and thank you for anything you've done for me.
He killed himself. But why? I thought he was happy. But no, he certainly wasn't. What was wrong with him? I need to know. I will have to know. I will have to speak to the doctor. So one of my friends, Shashank, so he committed suicide. Can you tell me the reason why he did so?
When did it happen?
Sir, day before yesterday.
You might have died out of drug overdose. Probably because of hallucination, you might have committed suicide.
Drugs? But why? Why did he? I don't know, but I know I lost a friend. I lost one friend, but I won't let anyone else kill themselves because of this. I need to go to a rehab to know more.
The meaning of Nijat is freedom. How we serve through this center actually. Very first condition, if anybody wants to come over here, the only desire that he wants the drugs or alcohol by his own choice.
तो आपने नशा करना शुरू कब किया?
मैं कोई 16 साल की उम्र में नशा करना स्टार्ट किया।
और आपको आपने नशा लेना शुरू क्यों किया?
कुछ नहीं, वैसे एंजॉयमेंट के लिए फर्स्ट टाइम नशा स्टार्ट किया था। और
तो आपके दोस्तों ने कहा कि मज़ा आता है, लेकिन
हाँ, यारों दोस्तों में कुछ संगति ऐसी थी, उठना बैठना ऐसे लोगों के साथ था।
This is not enough. I will have to dig deeper. I need to ask the people on the streets.
दुकान पे कितने बच्चे आते हैं दिन में तकरीबन?
हमारा एक बोर्ड लगा हुआ है, उसमें बच्चों की नो स्मोकिंग
तो फिर
तो देते हैं।
वो जो है ना, वो टंकी का वो है, टंकी का
क्या मिलता है वहाँ?
झाड़ू मिलता है, रात को करते हैं।
छोटे छोटे बच्चे भी करते हैं या फिर सिर्फ बड़े करते हैं?
बड़े भी करते हैं, छोटे भी करते हैं, रात में करते हैं।
कैसी होती है आप बता सकते हो?
शीशी होते हैं, पानी का लटकाता है, चूना लटकाता है।
What is addiction? Addiction is dependence on a substance, narcotic, alcohol, or for that matter, anything that you're obsessed with. Your obsession is actually your addiction.
Are you addicted?
Yes, I am. I'm addicted to the internet, and so I can't allow myself to have it at home, or I will use it too much.
I'm addicted to my Olympus and iPhone.
बराक कैसी और कुछ नहीं।
I'm interested
I don't believe in addiction. I believe in balance, and I try and do a little bit of everything. A little bit of exercise, a little bit of wine, a little bit of party, a little bit of reading. I don't like anything in excess, and I believe if you think right, then you don't need to have any addictions.
Balance. Balance. That is what I need. It's only me who can stop myself. The solution lies in me. It's my mind that has to be in control. I have the power. Do you?